Hi everyone, my name is Vivek and welcome to my YouTube channel. If you want to see my upcoming new tutorials, please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon. This is the 15th episode about JavaScript basics. In the previous episode, we worked on the if statement, and today we'll work on the if-else statement. So first, open your text editor. Open the 15th folder if-else statement. Open start and main.js. So first, let's add a variable called city and assign them to London. Add if-else statement. Under this condition, add city is equal to London. Console.log city is in UK. In this else statement, you can add console.log city is not in UK. So what this is saying is, if the city is London, then it will log this message, city is in UK. Otherwise, if the city is not London and some different city name, then it will log this message, city is not in UK. Let's check the preview now. Open the browser, open the developer tool, go to console and refresh the page. You should see London is in UK. Now let's change the city name to Paris. Refresh the page again, and this time you should see Paris is not in UK. We can also use else if statement if you want to use multiple conditions. To do that, first let's create a variable called country and assign them to UK. Add if-else statement. In this condition, you can say country is equal to UK. Add console.log country is in Europe. If you have multiple conditions, instead of using else statement, you can use else if. Then you can add another condition. Let's say country is equal to Japan. Then you can use the console message, country is in Asia. Likewise, you can use as many else if statement as you want. Let's use another one saying country is equal to Brazil. Add console message saying country is in South America. Finally, let's add else statement. Add console.log country might be in another continent. So what this is saying is, if the country is UK, it will log country is in Europe. If the country is Japan, then it will log country is in Asia. If the country is Brazil, then it will log country is in South America. If we add another country name, then it will log country might be in another continent. Let's check the preview now, and we can see UK is in Europe. Let's change the country to Japan. And now we can see Japan is in Asia. Let's change to Brazil, and we can see Brazil is in South America. Finally, let's change it to Australia, and we can now see Australia might be in another continent. Great! This is the end of this session. In the next session, we'll work on ternary operators. Feel free to comment below if you have any question. Also, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel to get more videos in the future. If you want some hosting companies, you can check the link below. Thank you and see you.